Raise your right hand. I state your name.
I state your name.
Do solemnly swear or affirm.
Do solemnly swear or affirm.
That I will support and defend.
That I will support and defend.
The Constitution of the United States.
Such an exciting day. I got to swear in 15 new deputy district attorneys, prosecutors. These are the best of the best in our legal community, and they've joined our office. They just finished a rigorous training, and what I told them all today is what they're united by is their character and their commitment to justice. So excited for their journey.
I decided to become a prosecutor when my family and I were victims of labor trafficking. And there were attorneys who guided us through the process, advocated for us, and I knew one day I wanted to be just like them and fight for victims in the same way. I chose the San Diego District Attorney's Office in particular because I knew that they do the right things for the right reasons. I came across the country to work here because of DAs like Summer Stephan, who are always advocating for victims, being sure to serve the entire community with integrity and humility, and that's what I wanted to do here.
I became a prosecutor after my first internship here at the San Diego District Attorney's Office. I fell in love with the people that work here, as well as, and more importantly, the job that we do as an office. Led by Summer Stephan, our mission is to protect this community, to prevent future harm, and to prosecute crime. And I feel like overall this office embodies all those so well with the people that work here in the community to serve.
I became a prosecutor because I always had an interest in standing up for people who couldn't stand up for themselves. And I could do it well and very articulately. And I knew since then I had to find a forum where I could put that to good use. And I became a prosecutor specifically because it's important to see Black people, Black men, Black women as prosecutors. We should have a seat at the table. Our victims look like us, and they also need somebody to represent their experiences and humanize them to juries. I've been a prosecutor for about 13-ish years now, and I've worked at different offices, and I have to say that San Diego is elite. It is an innovative office. It prides itself on being very competitive in its selection process with applicants, and also very invested in making their attorneys the best they can be, and not just professionally, but also possess compassion, perspective, and also being a part of the communities they serve. And so San Diego has always been known. Since I was a young DA and first started, I'd always heard about San Diego district attorneys. They're known nationally. When they walk into a room at a training full of attorneys from all over the country, people stand up, they pay attention, they notice, because they know the people that are coming into the room are some of the best trained with the best experience in the country.
I come from a long line of public servants. My dad was in the Navy, my aunt was in the Navy, so it was very important for me to also give back to my community. So I went to law school wanting to be a prosecutor. It was very important that I had a mind towards justice, and the San Diego District Attorney's Office in particular has kind of been a trailblazer with their conviction review unit and other DNA review and partnership with the California Innocence Project. So that really stood out to me. And Summer's North Star, like she said, with always doing the right thing, that's very unique amongst leading prosecutors in this nation, and it was just so important to me to be part of this team. So I interned here and law clerked and took some time to come back, but it's really good to be home.
No